In the world of international finance, a quiet but powerful trend is unfolding. China, the world's second-largest economy, has been on an unprecedented gold-buying spree. In 2022 and 2023, the People's Bank of China added hundreds of tons of gold to its reserves, a purchasing streak not seen in decades. This isn't just about a love for shiny metal. It's a strategic move with profound implications for the global economy. So, why is China accumulating so much gold? The reasons are multifaceted, but they all point to a single, overarching goal: to reduce its reliance on the US dollar and reshape the global financial order. For decades, the US dollar has reigned supreme as the world's primary reserve currency. Its dominance gives the United States immense geopolitical power. However, China is increasingly wary of this arrangement. The weaponization of the dollar through sanctions, as seen in the conflicts in Ukraine and other regions, has shown countries how vulnerable they are to American foreign policy. By diversifying its reserves away from the dollar and into gold, China is building a shield against potential financial coercion. Secondly, China's gold purchases are a hedge against economic uncertainty. The global economy is in a state of flux. Inflation, geopolitical tensions, and the risk of recession are all significant concerns. Gold has historically been a reliable store of value during times of crisis. It's a tangible asset that is not tied to the performance of any single government or corporation. By increasing its gold holdings, China is protecting its immense wealth against the instability of a global economy that it sees as increasingly fragile. Finally, China's gold strategy is about long-term power projection. The country wants to elevate the status of its own currency, the yuan, on the world stage. While the yuan's share of global transactions is growing, it is still a long way from challenging the dollar. A strong gold reserve can add credibility and stability to a currency. If China can back the yuan with a substantial amount of gold, it can encourage other nations to use the yuan for trade and investment, slowly eroding the dollar's dominance and building a new, more multipolar financial system. This isn't just a financial story, it's a geopolitical one. China's gold buying is a clear signal of its ambitions to create a new global order, one where the US dollar is no longer the undisputed king. As these purchases continue, they are likely to have a ripple effect on global markets and on the future of international relations. The question is no longer whether China is buying gold, but what the world will look like once they have enough.